All right, what's up, guys? I just kind of went back to my old page, this one you're on now, and saw some old videos and kind of thought I'd post a update for fun, about the car. So the video I just watched is me learning how to drift at Thunder Hill, and we went on to do a couple more events over the next couple of years, and then we're here now. So this is Jade, the car that you saw, cut quarter panels and all. This is the same SR20 in the works. We're running standalone ECU now. Nothing major, just a little bit bigger injectors and a slightly bigger turbo. We've got a GT2860 RS. RS? No, I don't know if that's right. I don't know. Disco Potato, whatever that is. But like we have same cooling system. We actually upgraded this since that video. We're going to be doing an electric water pump on the lower hose. We went through and I've built a completely new chassis harness with a brand new fuse box and everything. With the fuse box here, everything's brand new and ready to be driven on the street. We got new wheels. I built these, spec'd them out and built them, and they fit with my wide body perfect, in my opinion. And we went back to a full interior car. We gutted it for a little while, but this car, the next big journey for this car is we're taking it to Colorado from Reno. We're going to go drive Pikes Peak and the Million Dollar Highway, something my wife and I did a few years back, last year actually. And one of the best drives I've ever had. But yeah, so this car is just coming along. Hopefully it'll be up and running in the next month or so. And then we're going to hit a couple events, and then this thing's hitting the streets. I've definitely enjoyed this car from day one. I mean, we've had our ups and downs, but it's always been a prized possession of mine. It used to be, the initial plan was this was going to be my wife's car. And we discovered that the rear end of this car was twisted. And that's why we cut up the quarter panels and got a wide body and everything, because things just didn't fit very well. So it's coming along now. Oh, and we got these sick fender tubs because I cut out the inner fender well so my front wheels would not rub, and then my engine bay would just get filthy. And so I found these in Australia and had them shipped over so that we could get the engine bay a little cleaner. We did a high mount. My buddy Michael did this on his single cam KAT. We mount what is this? A CX Racing intercooler. I got new piping and had that welded because I can't weld aluminum. Old school Blitz blow-off valve that was donated from a friend. And we're currently in the process of getting this thing started on the standalone, first of all. But we're switching over from the stock SR20 coil packs to the Denso coil packs. These are from, these are from this Toyota Corolla out here. That thing is a project that we bought to flip like 3 or 4 years ago, and we lost the title for it almost immediately. Found the title again when we moved into this house, and so now it's just back on the stove. At least it got completely taken off the stove, not even the back burner, completely taken off the stove, put in the cupboard again, and we went and pulled that out of the cupboard recently. And then I used it for donor parts so that we could get this thing started because the SR coils weren't working. But yeah, I'm going to just try to give you updates on this. We're going to get this thing running and get it ready for an event. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.